how to fix Instagram not login in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, on this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not login. So what you wanna do is open these settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode like this, and then you have to wait a few seconds and disable it. After that, you have to go to the Google Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. Search for Instagram and then make sure to update it into the latest version. After you update it, now all what you want to do is turn off your phone and then turn it on again after a few seconds and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.